Good morning. My name is Timmy. I like multiplication. Let's look at 3 tricks you can use to check your answers when you multiply single digits by 9. For my first trick, you can use your fingers to quickly get the answer. Let's take a look. Need a quick way to multiply 9 by 6? Well, hold your hands up like this. Starting with your pinky on your left hand, count each finger until you reach the factor being multiplied by 9. For this example, you will count 6 fingers. When you get to the 6th finger, turn that finger down. That finger will be counted as a space. Next, you will count the number you see before and after the space. Remember, the finger that is turned down is counted as a space. How many fingers are standing tall? You should have 1 finger turned down. In this example, it's the 6th finger. Let's see. When you look at your left hand, there are 5 fingers before the space. And when you look at your right hand, there are 4 fingers after the space. 9 times 6 is 54. That was my standing tall trick. Let's look at the next trick. For my next trick, you will write down 2 sets of numbers. Actually, this doesn't really help you multiply by 9, but it gives you a quick way to check your answers. In the first list, write the numbers from 0 to 9. In the second list, write the numbers from 9 to 0. When you place your 2 lists next to each other, you can see a quick way to check your answers. Here, you can confirm that 9 times 6 still equals 54. For my last trick, you will actually need to add and subtract to get the answer. I call this my do the math trick. Here, you'll see a few factors being multiplied by 9. What do you notice about the product? If you look closely, you will figure out that the numbers in the product all equal 9 when you add them together. That's good to know, but there's more. There's something else you can do with this trick. We'll stay with 9 times 6. Let's look at the number being multiplied by 9, and subtract 1 from that number. In this example, it's 6. Subtract 1 from 6. 6 take away 1 is 5. Put that 5 to the side. Now, think about what number to add to 5 to get 9. Yes, that's 4. Place it next to your 5. That's right, 9 times 6 is always 54. Those are my tricks for checking your answers to factors multiplied by 9. Which one did you like best? Here's a chance to practice. Try using the one you thought was the easiest to check your answer. I'll give you a moment. If you use the trick correctly, you would see that 9 times 3 is 27, which means there are 9 items in a group and you have 3 of those groups. That was a lot of information. I hope you were able to keep up. Remember, you can always go back and view this again. I can't wait until we meet again. Have an awesome day!